Hey guys, welcome back. I am currently cutting some trees after what happened. I bet we could have like a bunch of NPCs if we cut down some trees and find places to put them. So right now I'm kind of just getting some stuff, but I heard, or not heard, but well, yeah, from a friend, but I heard that there's a Grand Thunderbird, and this Grand Thunderbird just so happens to be able to be summoned by our flare gun that we found. So I'm going to try to make a Grand Thunderbird summon it, and we're going to fight it. Yeah! So now let's build this house, and then we'll get on to finding the ingredients and whatnot. Because apparently it's pretty easy to make. It doesn't take a lot. And the boss should be pretty easy himself. And I hope he's not lying. Anyways. Our house is filled. And I'm surprised that there's two chefs. The head chef and the sous chef. That's what we have. Maybe we can have like someone in charge of pastries and breakfast and I don't know, but other than that, we're gonna build. Building episode, guys. Are you excited? Alright. Let's get the simple stuff over with. Oh crap. And the rest is walls. Alright, here we go. So it's through half the day, so we should be able to get our easy stuff. Easy people. And since Blood Moon, zombie. And what I've actually noticed is that every Blood Moon is scheduled. And that's actually pretty cool. But since we beat that flesh golem, I believe that the next Blood Moon may be hard as shit. Or we may just fight another flesh golem. Who knows? Maybe it's stronger, maybe it's fatter, maybe it's more damage, maybe it's heavier, maybe it's hard as shit. Oh yeah, we have a meteorite to go to. I'm just wasting walls right now, but I completely forgot about this meteorite. And we'll investigate it oh, no. Well, 20 damage, so sure. Yeah, let's put our tables down. Do we have enough torches? Yeah. Just the painter and blacksmith having a conversation. Alright, torches. Oh, there he is. Confused zombie. But now, we're gonna add doors. And these doors will make them seem like more rooms. Anyways. So, I haven't seen what the zombie sells now. Like, if you beat the Eye of Cthulhu. So let's actually check that out. No. Same stuff. Anyways, we've crafted what we had to craft now. Let's figure out what all this stuff can do, and then we'll look for that meteorite. So which ones are materials? This is a material. Oh damn, an earthbender. Oh, that's pretty good for the earth fragments. Good for that. Metasite. Pills. Okay. these. The Warlock. Well, that's cool. The Brainiac. I don't know where I get Dripping Root from, though. We got some more victory shards from that boss. We have a lot now, actually. And the victory shards don't seem all that useful after a while, so we should probably get to using them. Let's see Bloodfire. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, Overwatch reference. Alright. Oh, it's literally Overwatch. Press E to turn into an invulnerable. It's just legit Overwatch, that's it. Alright. So we can make... Yeah, so this stuff will be for the future. Overwatch, I didn't expect that at all. That's unsettling. Yeah, so I think that's about what we can make for now. This seeks out enemies. Let's see what the Warlock has. I'm curious. Oh. Nice talk, buddy. Do you talk? Now let's investigate this meteor. Can we see it from here? Guess not. Let's try not to run. Let's investigate this meteor, guys. Poor Patchwork. He was all that powerful and now he's dead. Though I had like a pretty heavy boost. I'm not gonna lie. The Eye of Cthulhu stuff is still here? I'm pretty sure I reset the I closed the world. Anyways. Why don't we take a visit to the ocean actually? Oh, we can purify these. I forgot. Hold on, let's take a visit to the ocean. Why not? And actually, let's do that the other way. After we test this out. Seeks out enemies, right? Yeah, it kinda does, actually. Let's go the other way, because it's nothingness. Yeah, this, I wish I used this, because this is actually really good. And I've learned what weapons have become useless, so that sucks for them. Oh, I can jump on water. Or I was able to. We'll find that meteor soon. I wouldn't be surprised if the meteor was like on the dungeon side. Because I mean, no, they're headed that way. We're in fact still not ready to fight Skeletron. I don't think we'll ever be ready for a long time. He's just OP. I mean, yeah. Oh, it's my favorite biome. I'm liking these new leaves, not dead trees. Oh no. Oh yay. Oh no. I still have my staff with me. I should probably start finding some like new stuff I can use. I think what I'm using now is kind of getting old. The Grave Buster is just, it's really good. cleans up rows of enemies. Even if they're not all connected. Because, like, some enemies have more knockback. So they go farther. We're close. Not quite there yet. Over here. I'm not here for you. I'm here for the ocean. I wonder what's in the ocean now that we've yeah. Here I come, ocean. Oh, I found the meteor. Oh, but it hurts. For now, we'll stay away from there. And we'll head to the ocean. Oh wow, the ocean is actually way farther than it usually is. Damn. Wait a minute. Oh no. Don't tell me. Is it a corrupt beach? Please tell me it isn't. How could anyone let this happen? Oh, come on. Oh. It was close. Fuck off. Anyways, I think. Let's jump in the ocean. No, let's just visit the ocean. Why not? Am I wearing something on my head? Oh. A hole in there. Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh no. Please don't. I gotta wake him up. I better let him drink it. Oh shit. Damn it. Son of a bitch. I guess we're farming. Oh. Wait a minute, so our centaur is just normal to the night now? I don't even have to aim this, it just auto-aims. I don't even know. Unless I just have really good aim and I don't know it. It can't be a blood moon. These guys are still out. Is it? Are there just new night monsters? If so, that would suck. I have to deal with this shit. Right down there. Or not. Electrocution, that's a new one. I don't get how that sensor can't get out of the water. Fucking water. You can swim. Oh, hey, that's pretty neat. Never mind. It's terrible. Let's get one of these out. Oh, this plasma staff is actually really strong. Like, it drains anything's health. And there's a second anchor. I better wake him up like now. Quickly. Oh, fuck. I can either try to get over there. Two birds with one stone. Come on, man. Yeah, it just drains health. Angler, I got attacked. I'm gonna recall. Okay, now I run. You're in there now. Alright, now I run. And run back. Ah, I completely forgot the main purpose of this episode. No. We were supposed to be... The main purpose was supposed to be making a grand Thunderbird thing. I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. Oh, let's do that now, I guess. We got time. Oh my god. Alright. Flare. Why do I still have the flares with me? Anyways, I need that flare gun. Ah, there it is. Now. Firestorm cannon. Oh, that seems cool, but no. What? I'm pretty sure I was supposed to be... Give me a second. Okay, so apparently I needed like a... First of all, these. Next I need lead. Let's see. Lead. You fucking serious. Alright, well. The other part was we need hold on. We need hold on. I am sorry. Yeah, so we need Arcane Dust, Anthleon Mandible, and lead or iron. And then we need a Storm Flare, which is the same stuff, just less of it. Is there anyone we can buy lead from? Or iron? Blacksmith? Oh, Bloomstone. Oh, lightning tool. Huh. A dragon gem. Sounds cool. But why am I looking for these people? Why am I looking for iron from these guys? Shine my shoes. Yay. So I guess we're on the lookout for iron now. I mean, and I'm gonna actually skip this entire thing to get iron, so be right back. Alright, we're back. Good news is we have the stuff. Bad news, we might only have one go at this. Oh, Oh, a pill. Alright, here it is. Yep, one go. Alright. Well, here we go. Now this is supposed to be an easy boss, so if they fucking lie, I don't know. Here we go. Hello there. Oh, he shoots lightning. And it— oh! Uh-oh. That really does drain health. I am amazed. Or hold on, I want to see how much health it drains. Just gotta get that mana. So he's at 583. Drains about like 200. And apparently I get a loot bag. Yeah. Alright, easy boss. Easy. A Talon Burst. Some sandstone ingots. And— aw, come on. An annoying Thunder Talon. Aw, man. Do we have any other Antleon mandibles? No? Ah, unlucky. But we can make a weapon out of this. Sandstorm. Guide to expert throwing. Padded grip. Potent extract. Scorpion. And venoms that hit target briefly. Spellbook. Wind gust. Oh, it's not amazing. I'll take it. You can have that. Oh. I've never been good with history. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's a weapon I can combine. And then I can make a Sandstorm Claymore. Alright, I need thorium. So let's get our bags of potential out. Thorium. Bags of potential. Bags of potential. Uh-oh. Did I sell them? Did I throw them away? Oh, it's right there. Alright, neato. And I can make a Sandstorm Claymore, right? Oh, I need the— what else do I need? Oh, the Sandstorm ingots. Ingots. There they are. I should figure out what we can do with these, other than this. I could be making a huge mistake. Armor. Alright, whatever. Oh. It's actually pretty cool, but hold on. I know there's a weapon similar to this. Carousel? Aha! A Bellerose. Bellerose. However you say it. I need obsidian and any gold bar. We'll save that for another time. I am done. I am tired. I am sick of this shit. Alright, bye.